In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and customize the checkout page on your Wix website. Whether you're running a small business or just getting started with your online store, tailoring your checkout experience is crucial for creating a seamless and consistent user experience. Let's dive right in and make those customizations to reflect your brand's unique style. Start by navigating to the Wix website editor. You can find this by logging into your Wix account and selecting the site you wish to edit. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left-hand side toolbar, you'll notice a section labeled Pages and Menu. Click on it to open the drop-down where all your pages are listed. Within this menu, locate and select Cart and Thank You. This section holds the key areas we'll be focusing on. Go ahead and click on the Cart page. You'll notice that a new set of options becomes available. After clicking the Cart page, head over to the Settings. This is where you'll access the majority of customizability features for your checkout process. Click on Settings, then look for Customize Cart and select it. Entering this section allows you to delve into various features that can be tailored. Here you have control over elements such as images, product variants, and additional fields. Use this area to ensure that every visual aspect aligns with what you want your customers to experience. Once you've familiarized yourself with the customization options, turn your attention to the design aspect. Click on Design. This is where the visual magic happens. You can adjust colors, theme, fonts, and layouts to harmonize with your site's branding. Play around with these settings until you find a look that resonates well with your brand's vision. This is your chance to make the cart page look professional and integrated seamlessly with the rest of your website. Next, let's focus on the words your customers will see. Click on Text. Here, you can edit the default text that appears on the checkout page. Consider the tone and style that best fits your brand. Friendly, professional, or casual. Clear and concise messaging here enhances customer experience and aids in providing necessary information without overwhelming your visitors. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to edit and customize the checkout page on your Wix website. Experiment with different styles and formats, keeping in mind the user experience and brand consistency. Feel free to revisit these settings and tweak them as your business evolves. Make your checkout process as intuitive and straightforward as possible, ensuring your customers have a pleasant shopping journey from start to finish. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.